We will repair damaged drywall and large holes in walls faster and cheaper anywhere in the Greater Vancouver, BC. Jobs like these can be done within 1 day, repairs and painting. Call Handyman Chat now 778-938-9883 or request a quote online. There are thousands of different ways you can damage drywall in your house, but the good news is we are able to fix it all. Popping nails, furniture scuffs, small holes, big holes, water damage, cracks. We do it all. Wall, ceiling, and floor repairs, painting and plastering, kitchen and bathroom tiling, drywalling, interior and exterior design, residential and commercial renovations, emergency home, house, and property repairs, wall, ceiling, and door repairs, kitchen, bathroom, closet, and basement renovations, windows and doors. Home Reno Deals Canada. Ask us about home, business, or rental unit renovations, repairs, painting, plastering, tiling, building and design deals. Call us now at 778-938-9883.